So in this video I'll be taking you through the SAP S/4HANA best practice for sales quotations, BDG. So firstly let's go and create a sales quotation. We go to the app Manage Sales Quotations. Firstly you'll go to Create Quotation. In here you enter your quotation type, QT. You select your sales organization, distribution channel, division, and you continue. Next up, we will select our customer, sold to party. We will go for this customer as a sold to party, then also as a ship to party. We will enter a customer reference number. Quotation valid from and to dates are important. We will add those. We'll say it's valid until 12. Next up, we select the material that we want to sell or the quotation is requested for, and then a quantity of 1. That basically is all that you need to enter. You can work through the other tabs to look at what information is brought into the quotation, but for now I'm just going to save it, and you will see this is our quotation number 1992. It was saved. That's the message. So next up we go and we display our quotation. Then we go to menu, extras, output, header, and print preview. There's our output condition, and we say display document. There's our quotation document that is generated by the system. Okay, so now the customer calls you. They say they want a changed quotation. You go back to the managed. So we go in and we change the sales quotation. We change the quantity to a 10 in this case, and we just save it. So the customer calls you and say, listen, I want to reject my quotation. You select your quotation. You then select reject all items. You select the specific reason for that. And the quotation is then updated to a completed status, which means the customer has rejected it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.